Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the reel handle side on a spinning reel. Whether you're left-handed, right-handed, or just want to switch things up, this is a quick and easy adjustment you can do in under a minute. Alright, let's jump in. First, take a look at your spinning reel. You'll notice the handle is attached on one side, and on the opposite side there's usually a small cap or screw. That cap is covering the threaded hole where the handle can be moved. To begin, hold the reel body firmly so it doesn't move around. Now turn the handle counterclockwise to unscrew it. In most cases, it will come off easily. If it doesn't, check the opposite side and remove the small screw cap first. Once the handle is completely removed, take off the cap from the other side of the reel. Keep it nearby because you'll need it in a second. Next, insert the handle into the threaded hole on the opposite side. Turn it clockwise until it's snug. Make sure it's secure, but don't over-tighten it. Now take the cap you removed earlier and screw it into the empty side where the handle used to be. This helps protect the inside of your reel from dirt and moisture. Finally, give the handle a few turns to make sure everything feels smooth and tight. If it spins freely and feels solid, you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you change the reel handle side on a spinning reel. If this tutorial helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.